Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm revealing a unique way to make money online. Building a trade signal group without actually doing any trading yourself. This method is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants a passive income stream. Let's dive in. Many online gurus offer paid trade signals. They charge a monthly fee to share buy-sell recommendations, but here's the secret. They often outsource managing these groups. We'll leverage this concept to build our own group without the hassle. Platform. Choose a platform for your group. This is the foundation of your community, so select wisely. Telegram is popular for traders, offering a seamless experience for real-time discussions and updates. Alternatively, consider school.com for paid membership options, which can provide a more structured environment. Links to these platforms will be in the description below for easy access. Payment gateway. If you opt for school.com, comma payments are handled directly through their system, ensuring security and ease. Otherwise, use PayHip or Whoop to collect monthly fees efficiently, both of which are user-friendly and reliable. Content creation. Hire a freelancer on Fiverr to create engaging social media content. This can include graphics, videos, and posts, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, about trading, general, no specific signals. These short, engaging videos can capture attention quickly. These strategies will drive traffic to your group, increasing engagement and membership over time. All right, let's set it up. This is an exciting journey, and we're here to guide you through every step. First, you need to choose your platform. This decision is crucial, as it will determine how you interact with your audience. Decide whether you want to use Telegram or school.com based on your preference. Each platform has its unique features and benefits. Next, set up payments. Integrate your chosen payment gateway with your platform if needed. This ensures smooth transactions and builds trust with your audience. Now it's time to outsource content creation. Quality content is key to engaging your audience and keeping them interested. Find a Fiverr freelancer to create engaging social media content about trading. Look for someone with a good portfolio and positive reviews. And finally, promote your group. A well-planned marketing strategy can make a huge difference. Share your group link in the content descriptions and encourage viewers to join. The more you promote, the more your group will grow. Now for the key part of your strategy, it's all about finding the right person to manage your group effectively. Here's where Upwork comes in to save the day. Simply search for trade signals freelancers on the platform. You'll discover experienced analysts who can manage your group, post daily signals, and handle member inquiries efficiently. This way, you can focus solely on attracting new members and growing your community. This system is brilliant. You get a passive income stream while someone else handles the group management. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. See you in the next video.